It is going to be a two-step process to fix error tunnel connection failed in Windows. Go to Start, configure proxy server, then click here to open it. In the Internet Properties, click on LAN settings, then uncheck the proxy server and check automatically detect settings. Click on OK, then OK. In the last step, go to Start, type cmd, right click here and run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Then type netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Finally, type exit and hit enter. At the end, restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.